I just watched 2 Transformers explode. Sadly, I just stopped recording. Sirens everywhere. A tree fell. Yeah, both of them were just immediately down the road, the ones that exploded. The lights went out across the city both times. Can you hear that whistle? There's a little lightning. Set that down. Maybe if I keep watch, I'll see it blow up again. I don't know if it was the same one, but it looked like they came from the same spot, over by where that red light is. It might have been one on the other side of the road. I keep thinking I'm hearing trees falling, but I think that's a tarp on the construction site. Don't see a storm like this that often. It's pretty rare. I was gonna go to the store. That's probably a bad idea.
I was already taking videos. You're not bugging nobody.
Yeah,
Boy.
I turned at the first recording I did. I turned it off just as I saw something explode.
Oh, doesn't that figure?
Yeah, 2 explosions so far.
Really?
Yeah, lights went out both times. Is the lady taking her dog out? Now, with how bad this is, I thought it would be colder, but I am bundled up a bit. But still, you only get a storm like this once every couple of years. Oh, goddamn! There it is, number 3. I think the phone was aimed away a little bit that time. Each time that's happened, the lights have gone out for longer. I think it's the same one. Did something land on it? Number 4? Oh boy. Okay, the lights in the stairwell went on, but oh no, the block's not coming back. And there's a fucking school over there. I guess it's too late for there to be kids out, but goddamn. I don't even know if you can hear me over the wind. Oh, is that another one in the distance? I saw a flash over beyond the trees. 2, 3. Oh my god. That light hitting the tree, is that from the car? That might just... What was that? Saw some people hanging around down there. Hope they've decided to go inside. Yeah, no, I'm not going to the store like this. I need to get bagels for some fucking sandwiches, but because I missed them in the fucking grocery delivery. But no, I'm gonna have to do that another day. At least the apartment still has power. There's light in the stairwell here. But everyone else around here is fucked. Oh, I'm going in. Well, going back inside, not out there. It's fucking dark out there. I hear buzzing. Yeah, I guess I'm done for now. This has been a night.